Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So I was actually talking to a potential consultant today who did ask some amazing questions. So I thought to myself, let's talk about it. And sorry, I just realized I was actually teaching a dental hygiene class and I have my sign at the back. So sorry, you're probably wondering, what is that sign for? It just has to do with my dental hygiene students. So I apologize about that. Usually I try to put some Epicure products on display when I'm doing an Epicure webinar or YouTube video. But so sorry about that. But yeah, so I was actually talking to somebody who did have some amazing questions. So I thought all of you guys might have the same questions, okay? So just to kind of talk about them a little bit, I'm not sure what I'm going to title this video yet, but I will think about that afterwards, okay? So yeah, so if you are either in the States or Canada, you can sign up to be an Epicure consultant, okay? You don't have to find somebody in your area. It can be anybody. It can be me. I can help you guys, okay? So a lot of people ask me, so how long have you been selling Epicure? How can you help me? Do I just sign up with you and then I never hear from you again? How many people do you have on your team? Something like, things like that, which makes perfect sense. When I have signed up for Epicure, I've been with the company about 3 years now. And when I signed up, it's a pretty funny story, okay? So I had actually signed up because I went to a cooking class like a year before. So it did take me a while, but I just loved the product so much. And I wanted to order more, but I pretty much wanted to order everything. So it just made sense to get the kit. But then I said, okay, well, I would like to sign up under somebody who cares. I would like to sign up under somebody who will help me, who would take the time to help me. I didn't sign up under that other person because I went to a friend's cooking class and the consultant, so it was a friend of my friend who was the consultant. So I didn't know her personally, but I don't know, we just didn't click, nothing bad, but you just know how certain personalities, right? Like you either get them or you don't. And we just didn't click. I kind of felt like I was annoying her with all of my questions. So I thought, okay, I'm not going to sign up under you because I don't want to annoy you. I'm going to have more questions once I sign up. But she just wasn't very approachable. You could only reach her by phone, which is fine for a lot of people, but I kind of like to send emails, like text messages, messenger, I just like to have that connection, right? Or connection, if you can say that. So I was just looking for somebody else to sign up with. And I actually did a post on a Facebook group in my town, like, hey, does anybody here sell Epicure? I would love to talk to you. Nobody messaged me, which is so funny. When people did message me, because there has to be more people selling Epicure, right? But when people did message me, they would say hello, but they would just kind of copy and paste their responses. How that looks like, hi, so nice to talk to you, so nice to connect with you. This is our Epicure policy. This is how Epicure works. This is your commission, copy and paste. And I'm thinking, can I just talk to a real person? Can you just not copy and paste things, which again, saves them time. I get it, but I also don't get it because I would like to sign up under you, and I've been with companies before where if you sign up under somebody, they make commission off of you. So I was, I want to sign up under somebody who cares. So that's what all of you guys are probably thinking too, right? You don't just want to sign up under me and then never hear from me again. So anyway, so that kind of taught me, okay, there are probably other people like me who want to sign up under somebody who cares. But anyways, I signed up for somebody who I didn't even know, a complete stranger. She actually lives far from me, not close at all. I would have to take a plane to get there, kind of thing. But she took the time to answer all of my questions. She took the time. I don't know how else to say it, but she was so nice. She was so helpful. So I signed up under her because she took the time to help me. So let me just tell you guys right now that if you sign up under me, but I will also say actually too, that I do not make anything for you signing up under me. So I don't make any money from you guys getting the kit. I make money from orders that you have if there's a certain amount per month. So if it depends on your teams overall sales for that month. Okay, so I don't make a commission off of every single thing you order. It's kind of the overall sales. So that's probably why, if I can say this, a lot of consultants don't take the time to answer questions when somebody new needs help, because we're not really getting anything out of it. But I teach, I train. So that's what I love to do. So I think that kind of sets me apart. And I'm not trying to sell myself here, but I think that kind of sets me apart from other consultants, is that I teach dental hygiene and dental assisting students online. So my focus is, online teaching. I love questions. I love helping, because I was like you when I first started. So when you sign up with me and my team, you will hear from me often, not too often, don't worry, but we talk to each other. We have a group on Facebook, which I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom if you would like to talk to me. Plus we have a chat, a Facebook chat, like a messenger, where if you guys just have a quick question like, oh, what's in the pudding mix? How much sodium? I have a customer asking me, we can help you, like a quick question. If you have tons of questions, send them through our messenger, and if I can't get to you right away, somebody else can. My team isn't so large where there's hundreds, thousands of people either, because I find if your team's too large, not for everybody, but your leader won't have time to talk to you because you're kind of too small on the bottom of the food chain. I'm sorry to say it, but it's true, right? But when you have a good sized team, but not a large one, you know that you will get the attention that you need. So that's where I am now, where I do have a nice sized team, but it's not hundreds of people. But I have a nice sized team where it's worth it to really help you guys and take the time to answer questions. Although, having that said, even when I just had one person under me, we would talk all the time and I would help her out as much as I possibly could, but I was not making any money from her because my team sales weren't big enough anyway, because it was just the two of us. So I was not making any money from her, but I was still helping her, right? So I have a great team, but it's not huge where you will never hear from me. So sign up with me. You will hear from me. Ask tons of questions. I don't mind. I love it. I teach you guys, if you guys want, how to start a pantry club, so you get those qualified cooking classes in. They can be in-person cooking classes. I teach you guys how to do that. They can be online cooking classes. I teach you guys how to do that. I just teach you guys everything. So same with the videos that I have on YouTube. I just teach you guys like step by step, right? Like little things at a time, so it's not too overwhelming. I know that the videos here can be long, so you probably don't just watch me and listen to me. So just feel free to click play while you're doing the laundry, making dinner. Just learn about Epicure as we go along. And I'm not leaving the company anytime soon, knock on wood, right? I shouldn't have to. This is an amazing company. We have amazing products, and I'm so excited to share my passion with you. Let me just check my notes for a second just to see if there's any other questions that I forgot to talk about, because she did have some amazing questions. You probably know who you are because I was just talking to you today. Sorry guys. Oh, another question that she had, which was so smart, was, let's say you live far away, okay? So not in Kitchener, Ontario, Canada. Who would you connect with to attend, a like training cooking class, to attend like product trainings, new product testing? There will always be somebody in your area, which is perfect. So I would get you in touch with those people. So you don't have to think, okay, my leader lives so far away that I can never attend any of these live cooking classes because I'm not going to take a plane to get there. No, there will always be somebody close to you. And that's the amazing thing with Epicure, is we always help everybody out. There's every time a new catalog comes out, they have these like product catalog live in-person events where the leader of that area will either do it in their own home, they will like rent out a hotel space, you know, something like that. It depends on what the leader wants to do, but they have like two or three different dates so that people can all attend from that area. So you can see all of the new products that come out. It is amazing. So it doesn't matter if you live so far away from me, there's always somebody else you can go to, and they are so happy to, because they know that people sign up under people who aren't even near them, right? So we all just help each other so much. Sorry, I'm just looking at other questions. So if you're in US, you are paid by US commission, you know, so like US dollars. If you're in Canada, you sell with Canadian dollars, you're paid in Canadian money, you know, that thing. Or sorry, that type of thing is what I meant to say. And commission is 25%, which is awesome. So technically, if you guys purchase something for yourself, you get 25% commission from that, which means technically you get a 25% discount. So how cool is that, right? There, guys, I think I answered most of the questions, but if I missed something, please be sure to comment below. I'm so happy to help, and thank you guys for the amazing questions. Feel free to send me a message anytime. If I don't get back to you right away, it's probably because I am doing Epicure stuff, but I promise to get back to you that day, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.